How to make electricity edge effect in Davinci Resolve. With the playhead above your video, go to the Fusion page. Select Media in Node and press Shift plus space. Search for Edge Detect and add it after Media in Node. Set Mode to Grayscale Edges, Edge Width to 0 and play around with brightness and gamma until some of your video edges are selected. Press Shift plus space again, search for Lumiqueer, and add it after Edge Detect. Play around with contrast and gamma until only edges are selected and black parts of videos removed. Search for Displace and add it. Drag Fast Noise and connect it to Displace node. Select Fast Noise and increase detail and scale and seethe rate to maximum. Connect the output of Displace to the output of Media in Node to merge them. Connect the Merge node to the input of Media out to remove the current connection and make a new one. Select Displace node, then right-click on the center property and select Modify with Shake. Now that the Modifiers tab is enabled, set Smoothness to 2, Minimum to 0.3, and Maximum to 0.7. Search for Glow and add the bottom glow after Displace node. Set the glow color and increase gain, gamma, and saturation to your liking. Now select the Merge node. Here we can animate blend property of this Merge node to achieve the effect we want. Right-click on the blend and choose Modify with Shake. At last, if you want more electricity, select Edge Detect node and play around with values. If you want to change the color of electricity over time, you can add a color corrector after the glow node. Right-click on the hue and choose Modify with Shake. Now go back to the Edit page.